Hello, hi, how are you?
Hi, ma'am. Good morning.
Very good morning, how are you?
I'm fine. What about you?
I'm doing great. Can you see me and am I audible properly?
You are audible, but you are not visible actually.
That's why I asked you.
Yeah.
Am I visible now?
Yes, ma'am. You are visible.
That's great. So, we are meeting for the first time. Let's start with the introduction. Should I start or would you like to take this honor?
Okay, let me start, ma'am.
Yes.
So
Okay.
my name is Ghanendra Bhardwaj, and I am pursuing BTech, a Bachelor of Technology in Computer Science and Engineering, and I am from Uttar Pradesh, Aligarh, and I like to listen to the music and play cricket. That is.
That's great. Amazing. Okay, let me introduce myself also. My name is Karishma, and if I talk about my education, I have completed graduation in commerce stream. I am an advocate, and it is my profession. I'm practicing this right now. I am from Delhi, but presently I'm staying in Gurgaon. But as you said that you are from Aligarh, I remember one thing that we used to go to Aligarh. There's a nearby station Hathras. We used to go
Yeah.
there, and it was my nanny's house.
Oh. Great.
Yes.
So, ma'am, I have been trying to talk to you for a long time. I messaged you, I think, 1 month back, and since then we are not connecting. So now
Yes.
as I have connected to you, and right now I'm just shivering. I'm just very nervous right now, and yeah, I'm very happy right now.
Yeah, I still remember your name because when I go live that day also you told me that I have been
Yes,
mail
ma'am.
you and something, but you're not replying. So from that day I remember your name. That is in my mind. Okay, whenever I will feel free, I will message him personally and let's see whether we can connect. So it happened I think 2 to 3 times that sometimes you available, sometimes
Yes,
I
ma'am.
was
Yeah.
on. It
Yes.
happens like
Because
a lot of time.
yeah. So my at the time my exams were going on, so I was not giving time to my spoken English, and I was not getting time enough to talk to you. So right now I got the time. My exams are over right now, so I am talking to you.
But Ghanendra, just by listening your name, I thought there must be some person of like more than 35 or 40 years age, but you are so
Oh,
young. I did
yes,
not
ma'am.
expect that you will be a student. You will be a student. I thought of like having a big person because it seems like Ghanendra Bhardwaj. I don't know why I feel it.
Okay,
So one thing I would like to know, your English is already good. How did you learn it?
ma'am. I learned through by myself and through YouTube videos. I used to watch English content on YouTube, so through that I just improved. You can say whatever I learned through the YouTube.
Okay, so are you in the habit of speaking from a very long time or you recently started speaking?
Ma'am, as actually I started it as a subject in my 10th and 12th. So and that time I decided to move to just spoken English. So I thought why should not I speak this language? So no, ma'am, I just started recently, like 3 months ago. I started
Okay, but before,
speaking actually. Yeah.
okay, but you have a good knowledge of English before that. To
Yes,
talk about
ma'am.
grammar or other
Yes.
things.
Yeah. Yes, yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you studied from English medium school?
No, ma'am. I am from UP board, so there was no uh, English medium.
I can also see why I point out this Aligarh city because I used to go there for a long time. All my childhood spent there in the Hathras. Like every year we used to go to Nani house. I could see the environment. It was like there was no English environment at all. Nobody is
Yeah.
speaking English, not even a single word. When I was a kid, even though I was not really good with English, but when I used to go there and I spoke something in English, people are like, wow, she can speak English. Like it's very big thing. So
Yes, ma'am.
how like I feel that it's very difficult in learning English in that kind of environment.
Yes, ma'am. You're right.
What you did, like how you improve. I couldn't believe like within 3 months you learned so much. You're speaking
No,
so
ma'am.
well.
No, ma'am. As I told you, I started earlier. I means 2 years back. I used to construct sentences on copy. You know, as a
Oh,
subject, I have learned this language. I used to learn grammar at that time, but
oh,
I don't used to like talk and speak English language. So I started speaking 3 months ago from 3 months ago. Yes.
It's a great achievement still, I would say, because I have few cousins from there only, and they cannot speak this much fluent. Even the school teachers there, they are also not really good with their English language.
Yes,
Everything
ma'am.
is in Hindi there, even though there's a
Yes, yes,
subject
ma'am.
of English, but teachers are not even
Exactly.
well qualified. They are qualified, but in terms of speaking or writing English, they have this problem.
Yeah.
Okay, okay.
So how
So
is Priyansh, ma'am?
you remember the name? Oh my God.
Yes, ma'am. Actually I was thinking that whenever I will talk to you, I will share this that I have downloaded so many video of yours, and whenever I go to sleep, I put them on play, and they used to play, and like whenever I just go to sleep, like before like 20 to 25 minutes, I used to like play your videos, and I used to listen. No, I don't watch because I mean I just listen conversations. So yeah, this is what I wanted to share with you, because for improving purpose, I used to listen to your busy videos, or like more conversation. There are so many like teachers, tutors, like the one who is Ayush and Arif sir. So yeah, this is what I
That
want to share with you. Yeah,
that's great. Thank you so
because
much that
listening
you watched
listening
my
is very
video.
important, na ma'am. Listening is very important. Yeah.
It is important. I still listen. It's not like that I'm able to speak, I can express my feelings, so I'm not listening. I'm still listening daily, new content. Every day I'm watching a video
Yes,
to
ma'am.
improve my listening skills. So the
Yes.
more you will listen, the more you will be capable of speaking good English. It is really important. It is like a never ending process, because
Yes, ma'am.
there's always a chance of improvement. If I am speaking like this, now I wanted to speak advanced level of English. So
Yes, ma'am.
I am always learning. So yeah, that's a great
Yes.
thing. And yes, Priyansh is fine. He's sleeping downstairs. I gave him bath in
Okay.
the morning, and he's just sleeping. That's why I'm getting this time to record this videos.
Okay.
Anything else would you like
Uh,
to ask?
what about your younger one?
He's in the school.
Okay, in the school.
Yeah.
So Priyansh didn't go to school today?
He's very small. Mitansh has gone to school.
Oh yeah, I
Priyansh
just
is the younger
forget that.
one. You
Yeah,
confused
yeah,
in the
yeah. I
names.
just confused. Yeah.
Yes. So he went to school and the younger one is sleeping. Yeah. Do we
So
discuss some
Leela ma'am,
topic?
yeah, yeah. I have a question, ma'am. So
Yes.
would you
Ask.
like to just help me? Like, whenever I used to talk, I just stuck. Sometimes whenever I just speaking with someone, then I stuck somewhere. So how can I just resolve this issue?
Okay, I want to ask first thing. Are you a YouTuber?
Yes, ma'am. Actually, I
How
just recently started a YouTube channel. I mean, like 1 month back, I started my YouTube channel.
did you see any changes from the moment you started and now? Where are you? Is there any
Actually,
changes?
yes, yes, ma'am.
Yes.
I
So just
I
wait for
see.
next 2 months. Within 3 months, you will see a complete different personality if you are
Okay.
having conversation on daily basis. If you're taking gap and recording one video a week, that will not going to help you in that
Yes, ma'am.
way.
Yeah.
If you're consistent, making a video daily, talking to somebody daily, practically speaking, 100% this problem is going to resolve on his own. You don't need to do anything.
Okay, ma'am. So consistency here mean just I have to like record. I mean, I have to have conversation daily, or just we can just skip 1 to 2 days. Like,
I
is
would
it
recommend
necessary?
that you should practice daily. It's not compulsory that you need to communicate with someone. You can do your practice alone, just talking to
Okay.
yourself.
Yeah.
If you're sleeping, before sleeping, you can just, start thinking about any old
Mhm.
incident and you can narrate that story in your head, or you can talk to yourself. So the practice speaking is really important. And that if you will do daily basis, that will gonna help you, because I have seen personally in my case, whenever I quit my practice, I started again like fumble. I started fumbling and
Yeah.
stuck sometimes. If I stop practicing for few days, even like for a week, if I don't practice with anyone, I can see change in my communication. So that's why I'm
Yeah.
recommending you to practice it daily. Be consistent. Just give 15 to 20 minutes daily.
Yeah. Right, ma'am.
Any other question?
So no, ma'am. I'm done.
What is the name of your channel?
English with Ghannu, ma'am. English with Ghannu.
Ghannu.
मतलब Ghanendra. Yeah, I just
Okay, so
keep
you
it
make
short.
it short.
Yeah.
So better you
Yeah.
should write Gannu. Gannu is the name of Ganpati. English
And
with
similar, it
Guru.
is similar.
Similar. Okay. So how many subscribers do you have till now?
So far, I have like 60 plus subscriber in 1 month.
Okay. It's been only a month, na?
Yes, ma'am. And
That's great.
actually, because due to my exams, I was not uploading their videos. But after exams, I'm quite consistent toward my YouTube channel and my spoken English too.
Okay. So I would like to ask you one thing. Have you ever faced any interview, job
Yes,
interview?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I
So
faced.
I would like to know the experience. How was your experience?
Experience was like I was nervous at the time, and they were throwing question in English language, but I was not able to just uh, uh, give them answer in English language too, because at the time I don't as I've told you, ma'am, that I started recently this English journey, so it was like 3 months before ago
Okay, 3 months
that
back.
I attended, yeah, the interview, so I was very nervous at the time. So
Okay.
I from this incident, I just started my spoken English journey, you can say,
Okay. Okay. That's great.
because
That's
I'm
great.
in I'm in my final year of my graduation. So I
You are
faced
in
yeah, company come to my like college, and
college.
they started interviewing.
Okay. In you are living in Ghaziabad currently?
Yeah, I stay in the hostel, ma'am. So and but right now I'm in my Blaze. I came back to my Blaze after my exam. So yeah,
Okay. So otherwise, when you have to attend the college, you have to stay in Ghaziabad alone in
yes,
the
yeah,
like in the hostel.
yeah, right, ma'am.
Okay, that's great. So do you face any difficulty while staying in the hostel
No, ma'am, not really, but yeah,
related to
sometimes it's
food?
like food. Yeah, this is what I was about to say. Like related to food, you can say, but not any other issue.
Not any other. Because in the village you get amazing food,
Yeah, pure,
um,
ekdam fresh, you can say. Yeah,
pure fresh vegetable also milk. In terms of milk, it is pure, but in cities it's not that pure or that much fresh you
yes,
will
ma'am.
get.
Yes, ma'am.
So you have to compromise with that. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So anything else would you like to share?
So now, so ma'am, how long have you been speaking this language?
I have been speaking from last 2 to 2.5 years, more than that. Yeah, because
Great,
the
ma'am.
moment when I've started my channel, that was the time when I've already in the practice. That was the time I thought that
Okay.
I will surely become better just by creating a channel,
Yes.
and that happened with me. Because when I joined, I was not that fluent. I was like I used to make a lot of mistakes, but now I can see that there is an improvement. So it is
Yes, ma'am.
all because of my consistency and the practice which
Right.
I am having from last 1 year. And before that also I could speak. It's not like that I could not speak a single word. I could, but it was like in the broken English. I used to fumble a lot. I used to get hesitant and nervous sometimes. Sometimes not always because I as I said in my videos also that I'm a very confident kid since my childhood. So I am not that kind of person who get nervous just seeing someone and speaking to someone. But yes, the hesitation part always there. It was there when
Yes,
I
ma'am.
was learning English. Yeah,
Right.
it happens with everyone.
Yes, ma'am. One thing that I would like to share, tell you, ma'am, your English is very amazing. Like anyone can understand easily, you know. So you speak very smoothly and like, yeah, in a flow,
Thank
you can say.
Thank you so much. Yeah, most of the people say the same comment like that. Your English is very basic English. Everyone can easily understand and they can
Yes, ma'am.
correlate with you. The beginner also can understand. So yes, now I'm thinking to
Definitely.
use some good vocab and I want to learn advanced English for the intermediate people. And yes, I am on my way. I'm listening daily 1 hour.
Oh,
Earlier, I was not getting time, but from now I've started.
okay.
Yeah. I think I can hear the voice of Priyansh. I think he woke up. So
Okay.
I have to go now. And it's such a
Okay, ma'am.
lovely talking to you.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for having a conversation with me, and we will
Yeah.
talk in future surely. Okay.
Sure, sure, sure. 100%. Come with a new topic and we'll discuss the same.
Yes, ma'am. Okay,
Okay.
ma'am. Bye. Have a
Bye
nice day.
bye. Thank you. Same, same.